Jewelry players like Titan and Kalyan in their pre-quarter update for June have indicated strong jewelry sales. With normal business conditions and resumption of full-fledged weddings post 2 years of COVID-led disruptions, companies have witnessed strong demand. In fact, Thangamayil Jewellery in its annual report mentioned that June 22 quarter was its best ever quarter in the history of the company, with both greenfield as well as brownfield expansion, increased farm incomes owing to forecasted normal rainfall and shift towards organized segment. TMJL expects to deliver more than 15% growth in the current fiscal. Also, opening of smaller format stores which sell silver and low-weight gold jewellery within the existing stores not only helps increase revenue but also draws more customers towards traditional gold business. The stock has corrected by about 25% in the past 6 months and offers a good entry point. Market share gains from unorganized players provides a huge growth opportunity. We recommend therefore long-term investors to add the stock to their portfolio. Owing to COVID infections, TMJL halted store expansion with no store addition in FY21. With receding of cases, it accelerated expansion in FY22, adding 5 new stores, taking the total store count to 52. With business conditions normalizing and improving demand scenario, we see healthy growth addition in the current fiscal year as well. We expect TMJL to open about 5 to 6 stores in the current fiscal. Apart from new store openings, TMJL would also undertake brownfield expansion of existing successful stores to gain operating leverage. It aims to undertake brownfield expansion of 2-3 stores every quarter this fiscal year. It will focus on expanding its presence in Tamil Nadu. India has enacted jewellery hallmarking regulation which mandates marking of jewellery sold. Only jewellery with certified higher levels of purity would be permitted to be sold. Hallmarking has started in bigger cities and towns and it's expected to be implemented across the country over the next few years. The regulation is likely to benefit organized players like TMJL. Unorganized players who currently sell suboptimal jewellery will have to sell purer jewellery in order to meet the hallmarking criteria. With improving purity by unorganized players, the current pricing differential between organized and unorganized segment would reduce. Now, this would lead to market share gains for the organized segment. Unorganized players have a huge market share, about 70%, which indicates strong growth potential for players like TMJL. India increased import duty on gold from 7.5% to 12.5% from the start of this month. Now, this would increase the final product price by about 3%. While this would have marginal impact on demand in the near term, we don't foresee any significant impact on demand in the longer run. At the current market price, if we look at the stock, it's trading at a PE of 15 times its FY24 projected earnings, which is slightly lower than its long-term historical average multiples. Investors should therefore look to add the stock to their portfolio.